Hi, I'm Billy Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Why was that so aggressive? I don't know. Hey, welcome to the Sunday blog, the loosey-goosey video of the week, where I just tell you things. Maybe I did something. I don't know. Maybe I went somewhere. Maybe I saw something funny. Maybe something. And at the start of the why am I being so, like... I need to calm. I just need to bring it down a little bit. Let's bring it. Let's just... Deep breath. Let's just bring it down a little bit. Today I just wanted to remind... No, I don't like that. Today, I wanted to remind you, all of you, if you've got a channel, even if you don't have a channel, if you wanted to send me a clip for the Sunday blog, I will put it in there. I'll give you full, like, you know, I'll mention you in the video. I'll put your link in the description, all of that stuff. Think of it as, I don't know, maybe a promotional way or something like that. I just want to showcase people, especially if they're wanting to interact. So, you know, it makes it more engaging. So if you want to send me a clip, you know, around 30 seconds and under would be great. Unless it's like, you know, something you've got a clear, you know, direction for and you need a minute, you know. If you need a minute, I'll give you a minute. You know, but try to keep them short because, you know, I gotta make a video too. Unless I get a bunch of them and then we just do a full-on compilation. Anyway, that doesn't matter. But yeah, send them to me at MakerMaddox@gmail.com. That's always linked in the description if you ever need my email for anything like that. If you just want to send me, like, you know, a note, you could do that if you wanted to, you know. Anyway, I just wanted to get into a couple things that I did this week. Just randomness, you know. I don't just get stored in a box and then wheeled out when a video needs to be made. I don't do that. Because I'm a person, okay? I'm a person. How dare you? How dare you? I'm working on a few projects, finishing some stuff up, getting some stuff ready, but it looks like January is not gonna be the month for a project, even though I'm working on something that will release. But yeah, I am working towards a couple projects that I'm very excited for, and I will soon let you see. I'm also working on a video of my break, which, you know, of like when I took a break in November, December. I hope that's still relevant. I don't know. I'm trying to make it funny. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna scrap it. But that might be next week's Sunday blog video. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get into these clips of these random things that I did. So firstly, I went to this Lego in-store build event, completely free. Very cool. I did not know, well, I kind of knew that they did that, but I thought it was just like, you know, silly, dumb little builds. But this one seemed really, like, this one seemed substantial. So we went, and I took the other, more of a Lego fan than me, person that I know, which is my mom. She's got a whole city and stuff. I only buy little sets now, really. I buy very sparingly. I buy here and there stuff. But she's building a whole city. So this was cool that she got a sort of New York style, you know, magazine, newspaper, kiosk, sidewalk shop thing. If you've ever been to New York, you know what I'm talking about, or lived there. You know, this will be very recognizable to you. What else? I found a weird snack at a gas station and I ate it.
Hey, what's up? Here we are on Uncut Billy, the new vlog show segment thing on my channel. It's not a real thing. It's not a real thing. So, question. Have you guys seen these? Kit Kat Duos, dark chocolate and mint. You seen this? You seen this? You heard of this? You seen this? They're kind of weird. I kind of like them. I found them at my gas station I go to, and I had to try them. Do you like Andes chocolate? Because it's kind of like Andes chocolate, but not quite the correct ratio. This has like too much mint, but still really good. Everything else is the same. You seen these? Weird, huh? Anyway, that's what I wanted to say. Maybe I'll put this in the Sunday blog. I don't really know if I'm in frame, but, you know, I'm watching TheCrafsMan here at home, and I just, you know, it always trips me out when I see this right here, because that's your boy. That's your boy right there. I'm right underneath Punish Props Academy, and I'm right next to the astronaut chicken, whatever his name is, and, you know, there's me. There's me right there. Look at that. You see that? You see me? Am I in the shot? Look at that. Want to see it closer? Look at that. Right there. That's me. And you know who that is? That's TheCrafsMan. Look, I'm touching TheCrafsMan. It's like that painting. It's like that painting by that Ninja Turtle. You know, I'm doing a playthrough of Jedi Fallen Order, and they just released all of the premium content. Everybody mad! They just released it for everyone in an update, and I finally get to have my little yellow BD1. I love him so much. I love him so much. So much. Hey, get back up here. I love you so much. Hey, look at me. BD1. Hey. There you are. I love him so much.
BD1. I've become so attached to that little droid. He's so cute. Or she. Gendering a robot for. It's 2020. We should be seeing much more clearly how to navigate social. Did I just make that up? I don't know. But yeah, the story is that there was a pre-sale copy with premium content, or if you got the deluxe edition, I don't know, something like that. Something that you pay more money for. You get other stuff too that's not included, why everyone's mad, but you get these sort of digital add-ons. You get another like poncho that he wears. You get another skin for the ship that he flies in. Those kinds of things. And one of them was the all-yellow BD1 skin. And I got the game late in the game. I never really pay attention to any sort of, you know, deluxe content or anything like that. I just want the game. I don't really care about that stuff. But when I found out that the all-yellow BD1 skin I would never have, I was very, very upset. I love the color yellow. I've said this before. You know, I'm making notebooks with yellow string. I've got a yellow knife on here. The camera that I'm currently talking to is yellow. I love yellow. When it comes to like, I don't know, whatever. Let's not get into that. It's a problem. People in my family know. But I think 2 days ago or yesterday, I think 2 days ago, the developer, is it I don't know who it is. The developer released all of that content for free in a downloadable patch, and everybody mad. That's pretty much it for me this week. Just wanted to check in with you. Remember to send me clips if you got them. If you want a little shout out, send me a clip, you know, at MakerMaddox@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!